So I got called out today to take a look at a gas line that apparently has a leak. The gas company is able to do everything up to the meter, but then after that it is the homeowner's responsibility, and so they called us, had us come take a look. You can see that they've got a caution, dangerous condition, repair required before restoring operation sticker on there. And apparently it's somewhere between this main line that then goes to the house and this garage heater. So we're gonna have to just find the leak. So what we're actually gonna do is take the sticker off and restore pressure to the unit so we can see. Oh my goodness, it's just whistling out around that valve. So we're gonna close this back off. I think that's coming from the body of this valve, to be honest. That 3/4 valve. Oh yeah. Oh wow, you can totally see. I didn't even notice. See, the body of the valve is like cracked. That's pretty remarkable. So I guess the pressure of that being at a slight angle eventually just broke the valve. So we'll have to figure this one out from the inside, it looks like. So here's what this thing is feeding. You can see they do have a union right there. So we'll take out this union, thread that out of the 90, and then we'll be able to thread the valve off. So I got that nipple threaded out from the inside, and it was really tight. But honestly, the way to fix this, I mean, look at that. You can see that totally just broke the valve. After we get the new one in, we're gonna have to move our hole over pretty much that much in order to keep this thing straight up and down so that doesn't break again. Because whether it was from this thing settling or, wow, that's crazy. Whether it was just from this thing settling or having stress on it from when they installed it, that's something that's not allowable. So now all we gotta do is thread that off, and hopefully we're able to get this off. Look at this. That is interesting. It's like glue. Almost like they took it apart and put it back together once or something. So hopefully we can get this off of there without too much trouble. And then we'll be putting in this nice 3/4 inch ball valve as a replacement. It's gonna work perfect. So we're gonna have to take the handle off the valve in order to turn it on there properly. Figure out where our hole needs to be, and then we'll drill our new hole. And then we'll thread our piece on. Used valve for sale. Just have to put a little bit of glue on there and it should be good to go. So I just got that thing threaded in. This is how far over that hole should have been to put no stress on it. I mean, if I shoved it over, I'd have to push it pretty hard. And yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it broke like it did previously. But it could be from something shifting. Not necessarily from the other person installing it incorrectly, but it's still a good thing to watch out for. So we'll just keep that covered and then drill out the hole. So there's our new pipe all stubbed in. Put some pipe dope on that end and thread it into our valve. And then thread that into there and put the gas union back together. Now we're just conducting a general leak inspection on all the fittings using some Mega Bubble leak detector. And we'll check all of them twice just to make sure that we're good to go. But gas is back on and we don't hear any hissing, so I think we're gonna be good. So I guess the most important lesson we can draw from this exciting repair is that if the gas line has a force on it that is going through a fitting like that, it will be a problem. Anyway, I hope that you found this video interesting and educational, it's a good reminder to always keep tension in any system to a minimum, and especially if there is going to be some sort of tension, to not put it on a brass component or some component that's not quite as strong like that valve. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Talk to you later.